Dang it, he beat us again.
Let's worry about that later. What was the riddle again?
You have surpassed the first part of the test, but can you handle the rest? Save the golden sword on a place so high that it'll take days to make the climb. When you reach a temple that's so worn and old, make your way inside. Be careful, avoid the traps, and don't get frostbitten with the cold.
Oh boy, there's traps inside.
You're the one who saved your division in Vietnam, yet you're too chicken to go inside the temple. Bark, 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 bark.
I'm not chicken. I'm just cautious. And it was on the vision. It was a squad.
Who's first? Okay. Who's next?
Let's send the chicken boy.
Okay, but if this kills me, I hope y'all feel guilty at my funeral. Woohoo! I made it! This thing's a sword of steel!
Come on, Johnny.
Here I go, mates.
Are you alright?
Don't worry, mates. I've gotten outside the situation. Hold on. Crikey.
Are you alright?
No worries, mate. I can get up here like any rock wallaby.
What?
I can see you haven't been to the zoo recently. I'll go first. There might be traps inside.
So we meet again. Well done. And for the last time. Noggin, get him.
Bye-bye. Damn it.
Why? Well, that was random. Anyway, do you know which lever's the right one? I do. Ouch! I chose Polo.
It's the other one.
Not that one either. Both. It's safe to come in now, mates.
How did you know that?
Oh, simple. The footprint points to both levers.
What's beyond that doorway?
Only one way to find out. It's the Shaman of the mountains.
Only one at a time.
I'm first.
What is your name?
Jonathan Thunder, mate.
What is your quest?
To seek out the golden sword.
What is your favorite pastime?
Take a stroll around the museum.
You may cross.
That's too easy. I'm next.
What is your name?
Robert Teabing.
What is your quest?
Find the golden sword.
What is the square root of 5 plus the elevation of Mount Everest?
You expect me to know that?
Let me give it a try.
What is your name?
Dr. Charles Kilroy.
What is your quest?
To seek the golden sword.
What is the width of an elephant's ear?
African or Asian?
Huh?
How did you know that?
There's a reason I have a master's in zoology.
What does it mean?
Oh, I say, Pippin, do you still have that gem?
Yes, why?
Let's stick it in the slot and see what happens. Why, it's a sword. We found it. Why, what's this? It's a map to China.
Hand over the treasure.
Oh no, you're not getting away this time. It's too cold for the gun.
So now, what was temporarily yours, is now mine. Men, to the helicopter!
It's impossible for helicopters to fly up here. The air's too thin.
It's a movie. Anything can happen.
That's great. We've lost our only hope of finding the gold dragon. Now what do we do?
Go here. It's a business card for the Coughing Dragon Opera House in Xi'an. It may be important.
Looks like you have to return the Kathmandu with me. From there, your chase can continue.